Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Arundhati Sadekar. I'm a homeopathic physician by profession, and today I'll be sharing with you some information regarding the basic commandments required for a healthy heart. The first commandment, eat wisely. As we all know, diet plays a crucial role in the maintenance of our heart's health. A diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables and low in saturated fat causes 73% reduction in the risk of developing new cardiac events. Catch them early. You should catch the symptoms early. The modern technology, the vast development in the field of medical science helps to detect the cardiac diseases at a very early stage. The third commandment, walk for life. Physical inactivity is one of the major causes of heart disease. The persons who lead an active life are less prone to heart disease than those who lead a sedentary life. Exercise makes your heart stronger, and the heart is able to pump blood very efficiently through each and every part of the body with every beat. The fourth commandment, recognize the risk factors at an early stage. We Indians are more prone, are more vulnerable to heart disease as compared to the Western countries. Hypertension, diabetes, obesity are the major risk factors which are responsible for the heart disease. And we should try to recognize them and take necessary precautions. The fifth commandment, women love thy heart. It's a common misconception that heart attack is a man's disease and women do not get heart attack. Women are protected from heart attacks in the younger age because of the hormonal effect. But once they reach the menopausal age, due to the proactive effect of estrogen, this hormonal control is lost. So women should eat the right kind of food. They should exercise regularly, make certain lifestyle changes. The sixth commandment, stress. Stress, as we all know, is a number one killer disease. It kills your heart. So stress management is very much important. How to manage stress? You can manage stress by listening to the music. Listening to the music daily for about 20 to 30 minutes, attending music concerts, various dance programs can create wonders. Yoga, meditation also helps in relieving stress. The seventh commandment, the bypass shall not be bypass. We all hear of healing miracles, but don't avoid what is needed. For example, if a bypass is required, a coronary artery bypass surgery, don't avoid it, go for it. The eighth commandment, have faith in God and man. Faith is thought to heal better and it helps the patients to recover faster. The ninth commandment, thou shalt not smoke. We all know that smoking is very much dangerous for our heart's health. The tobacco in cigarettes, it contains a chemical which is called nicotine, and it causes deposition of cholesterol in the arteries, in the vessels of the heart, thus diminishing the blood supply to the heart muscle. This nicotine also decreases the level of good cholesterol in the blood. So quit smoking, and it requires a lot amount of determination. The 10th commandment, practice yoga. Yoga reduces anxiety, promotes well-being, and improves the quality of life. And it is of paramount importance in eradicating the growing epidemic of heart disease. Friends, if you like my video, give your likes and subscribe it. Thank you.